VSeeBox V6 Plus apps. Top apps on VSeeBox V6 Plus. The VSeeBox V6 Plus is packed with powerful apps for streaming, sports, and entertainment. Let's explore the must-have apps you should know about. So first, the built-in Heat apps. Heat Live brings you premium sports and live channels. Heat VOD offers movies and shows on demand. Heat Ultra and Live Ultra expand your access to HD and international streams. Backup TV lets you replay missed broadcasts. Together, these apps make the VC Box a complete streaming hub. Another would be popular streaming services. Mainstream streaming apps, YouTube comes pre-installed, while Netflix, Disney Plus, and Prime Video can be added easily. These apps run smoothly on the V6 Plus, giving you access to global content. For advanced users, Kodi is a favorite for custom builds and add-ons. IPTV Smarters Pro lets you load playlists for live TV. These apps gives you flexibility to personalize your streaming experience. Don't forget lifestyle apps. Spotify streams music directly on your TV. Plex organizes your personal media library. Amex Player is a lightweight option for local video playback. And that's it, the top apps on the VSeeBox V6 Plus. From Heat Live to Netflix and Kodi, this device is everything you need for streaming.